Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance quite straightforward. And in fact, I've done this one before, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But definitely want to get things updated here, but kind of a two-pronged attack. Not only updated, but also just some confirmation of levels that I've talked about in past videos. So let's just first start with the update that needs to occur, and that is in regards to this level here at $8.85. Now, I realize this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, where you originally saw me put these lines into place. But for those of you that did, hopefully remember me talking about $8.85 as a level of resistance. Well, a foundational rule in charting is when levels of support, when levels of resistance are broken up above, you want to see them act as support. So $8.85 has been broken, the price is above it. So going forward, you would like to see this act as support, or really, in other words, just see history repeat itself. What do I mean by that? Well, it was originally broke back here, and you can see pulled back, great example, acting as support. Again, pulled back, great example, acting as support. And today didn't quite hit it during the final portion of the day, but still right around that area. So going forward, if the price can continue to hold above $8.85, that's going to make the chart look the strongest. Now, I'm not saying that it's a must-hold level, so if the price drops below it, I'm by no means saying that the entire chart is ruined or anything like that, but that would certainly make the chart, look the most powerful and ideal if the price can continue to hold above there. This is a level of support down here, but at this point, I'm just going to get rid of that line. In the spirit from a presentation standpoint, I'm not wanting to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. We'll try to keep this as clean as possible. So yeah, 885, definitely that ideal level of support. Also have the purple line there, the 50 period, and you can see the price did a good job of bouncing from it right there. And then actually during the final 30 minutes, once again, bounced from it right there. Now, in regards to levels of resistance, and this just brings a tear to my eye as somebody that uses charts, and I promise I have not moved this red line. I guess if you don't believe me, that's fine. I'm not offended. You can just go back in the video archives and watch the last video I did on this one. But I put this level up here as the level of resistance, and sure enough, look right where it got rejected from today. Now, I don't want to come across like I have some sort of secret strategy or secret system that, shows how to do this. No, anybody can learn how to do this. You just got to put in the time and effort to learn how to, use charts. So don't want to come across and proclaim like I have a secret system. Nothing like that, but just cool to see charts work out like that. So yeah, going forward, right up around 925, still indeed the level of resistance, and that's what we got confirmation of today. So yeah, it started off nice, and then the final afternoon, there was more of a pullback. But all in all, from the bigger picture of things, the bulls are still, consolidating at a higher range, and that's the name of the game. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.